Hello everyone, this side Saurabh, and today I'm going to solve the daily LeetCode problem, that is the problem of the day. So the today's problem is medium marked, so we will try for 40 minutes and let's check that I'm able to solve it or not. So the timer is at 35, we will try till 1 hour and 15 minutes. And you can believe me, I have never solved this question any before, and I like to make videos while solving the questions and check whether I'm able to solve it or not. So let's try it. So the problem is minimum number of flips to make the binary string alternating. I think day after yesterday there is the same problem, we have to make a string alternating. Let's read the problem. We have given a binary string and we are allowed to perform two types of operation on the string in any sequence. Okay. And the type 1 is remove the character at the start of the string S and append it to the end of the string. Okay. And the second type of operation we can do is pick any character in S and flip its value. That is, if its value is 0, it becomes 1 and vice versa. We have to run the minimum number of time 2 operations we need to perform such that S becomes alternating. A string is called alternating if new add two additional characters are equal. Okay. So for example, these strings are alternating while this is not. Okay, so we have given a binary string like 1 1 1 triple 0, and we can do two operations in this string. First is we can remove the character at the start and append it at the end. Okay, and we have to make sure that the type 2 operation should be minimum, so we must try first type 1, I think. So in the first example, so if we have first try to do the type 1 operation, we get 1 1, then triple 0, then this first one go to last. And if in this string we can do one more type 1 operation, we get 1 triple 0 and then 2 times 1, and then we have to do the type 2 operation. So I just do make sure I will make it 1 0 then 1. So what happens in this example, like they do 2 times first operation and make a string like this. After that they use the second operation on the third and sixth element, and they converted this is into 1 and then this is to 0, then string becomes alternating. Second example, string is already alternating, and in the third example use the second operation on the second element. In this we just converted this to 0 and get the answer. As the length of the string is 10 to the power 5, we have to make sure that we should do this question we go off analog in max time. Okay, so how to solve it? Minimum thinking. This first example, if I just make this second and fifth, if I flip the second and fifth bits, then I will also get alternating and the answer would be 2. Let me check the size of this string. as we have to make the binary string alternating. So suppose if we are given any string, you have given any string, binary string. So if by using any algorithm we make that string to a binary string, then we make that binary string to an alternating binary string. So what are the possibilities of that resultant alternating binary string? Either it will be 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0, or it will be 0 1 0 1 0 1. There are only two possibilities. Either it will start from 1 or it will start from 0. So in this, as we have given this 6 length binary string, so we can just make these two possible strings 1 0 1 0 1 0 and 0 1 0 1 0 1 and compare each bits and count flips in both, and in which the flips will be minimum, we are going to return that. So let's check this algorithm whether it work or not. So I will make a new string. So string s, okay, that is currently empty. I will make this string. Let me take a boolean flag that is initially false. So if not flag, we will add 1 in the string, else if flag we will add 0 in the string, and each time we convert our flag. I think I have generated this string. Now I will count the flips by comparing. So let me generate the second string also. So this time in S2 I will add 0, and in S2 I will add 1. Let me declare this S2 before here. Now I have S2 both strings, and I will count flips in both. So if my s of I is not equal to, I have again taken the same string. Let me make it n1, s1, s1, count 1. I think everything is fine now. If s1 of I not equal to s of I, then this time it means we have to do count 1 plus plus. Also if s of I not equal to s2 of I, then count 2 plus plus. What happened? Count 2 plus plus, and finally I will return the minimum of count 1 and count 2. Let me check this. At part the public test cases list text for all. Get the wrong answer. Here 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1. This is the string. Okay, and we can rotate also. If with the help of rotating, if both ends are opposite, then I think we can rotate it without any increasing loss. So it become 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0. Again we can do 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. Again we can do 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0. And now when until the both ends are equal or a whole iteration completes, we will stop. So let me try that also. So I'm just doing what is that as we have to do first operation also, if it make any benefit. So I'm thinking of to if until these two ends are not equal, we will rotate, because this will help something like in this to make it not adjacent at both ends. So let's try for n operations, n times rotate. So let me every time take the first simple first, okay, first as 0, and what if the length of the array is 1? Then not needed, we just return 0, not need any bit flipping. So now we can have the first and last. Okay, no problem. And if my first become equal to last, I will break the loop. If this is not true, we have to do the left shift. So as I have already stored the first element, I can run a loop from 0 to n minus 1 and store in si plus 1, and finally in n minus 1 I will store the first. That's how I will update the s. Let me use this test case and run it. It passes. Let me check it for all the test cases. What is happened? Wrong answer again. In this test case, my code give 8 output, their respective 5. So we have Here 1 triple 0 double 1 double 0 1 0 1 0, and then I think here is 5 0. So the answer is just 5. If we flip this first, flip this second, then third, then fourth, then fifth. The last will also remaining. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. No, let me just have shift 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0, and then 1. Then again 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 0. Zero, 1, 0. So in this can make 1, then what? 1 0 1, then this 2 2 0, this 2 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Again I have to do for 6. We have just 15 minutes left. Day after yesterday, when I try to solve this question, try to solve another variant of this question, which was easy marks, I was also not able to solve that at that time. I think if I use this logic, that question might be get solved. So let me check for that question also. All version. So this is what this is the same question I'm seeing. I think this is the question. I think that's the question I was not able to solve that at that time. Alternating we have to make, so let me use the same logic. This, let's check it will work there or not. I was attempted but not able to make it correct, as it will work or not. Here no n. Let me submit that. Yeah, I got solved. When I solved it day after yesterday, before yesterday, I give 20 minutes and still not able to solve that. But today I am at that. So today is another variant. In this wrong answer, I am seeing that I have to make 5 flips, 6 flips. But my algorithm give me 8 output. Did I make any mistake in my algo? I will make rotation max. Take the first element, take the last element, and you both are equal, either 1, either 0. I will break the loop. If not that case, I will make a left shift. As I store the first element, so I have lost here first element. Okay, and last I make the first. I don't think so that here's any problem. Let me write on this again and let's check how this 5 coming. So in the current string in which I have 1, then 3 0, then 2 times 1, then 2 times 0, then 1 0 1 0, and then I think 5 0. 1 2 3 4 5. So if I try to make it by flipping the bits at this moment, either we can do like we check, we flip every time, and for every string we use this algorithm, and at the end get the minimum. This will be the extreme brute force and will give TLE for each string. But that I should not do. So here, let me just check how 5 comes. If I make it 1, एक 1 2 3 4 5 6, I am getting 6, but expected is 5. One, two, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let me make it first 1 left shift. Then I will get 3 0 3 0. Then 2 1 double 0 1 0 1 0 5 0. And as a 1 1 goes there, then a single one at the end. Now again, if I do the same thing, 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 142 143 144 145 146 147 148 149 150 151 152 153 154 155 156 157 158 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, not 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. I got 7 pellets. 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make one shift again. I get 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 5, 0, then 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. This time what happens is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. That is the answer here I have got. If I take the opposite, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the multiple. How the expected is 5. I think I have to do more, not stop when both 2 ends are equal. Let me just try to check just one more shift forward. 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 5, 0, 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. And again here 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and give the most. What if I split from this 5, 0 middle? Start with 3, 0, then 1, 0, 0, then again 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, getting more 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have got 5 bits. When I make the splitting from here, I mean This 3 will start and might make everything at the last. Then what benefit I got? Due to these 6 zeros, I have to make more zeros, more ones, more clippings. If I make sure to split from their side, so I have to make sure that where too much density of contiguous, so to break them. So let's have a last try for this. So where I get most congestion. Sorry. More congestions. For more congestion I have to count contiguous equal elements. So let me have the count. I have just 2.5 minutes left. I will start from here, go till second last, and I check the contiguous. There would be a max that will at index 0 I have got. There should be a range. Start at 0 and end at 0. So if I get si equal si plus 1, that means 2 are equal. I do a count plus plus. And there would be a max that would 0 if you are not equal, and if my count this time is greater than max. If my count is greater than max, then I will make my int as I and update the max with count. What about start? And now my start will go from I plus 1. As my time is up, let me just give me 5 minutes more. St I plus 1. Start is now I plus 1. And at the end, if I have not got after the for loop, I again check. Here I should make the count as 0 now. Now this time, at the last, if my count is again greater than max, then I will make the end as I. No change in max. Yes, change in max. Start will at that point. Now I have a start index and end index. Suppose this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 11 and 16. And will point at 16. This would be n minus 1. 11 and 16, so I will 11, 16. I take average 17, 27, 13 will be the answer. 11, 12, 13. 11, 12, 13. So I will 11, 12, 13. I will reverse it for 13 elements. So I will reverse s dot begin. Let me take the idx as start plus end by 2. It dot begin and go till what? idx plus 1. And then again do a reverse s dot begin plus idx to s dot end. Do a full reverse begin s dot end. Correct. Let me check out this. I got it wrong here. Expectation is 2. As I can see that this is the max congestion. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 2, 3, 5. 5 by 2 is 2. 0, 1, 2. I will make sure to reverse from here. Yeah, that's correct. Let me print IPX. It is 8. 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm getting this. So also print start and end. 20 minutes. 5 minutes more pass. Just 5 minutes more. 988. My 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My start is at 9 and my end is at 8. Is it possible? What I'm doing is taking the start, taking the end, starting from 0 and the count and the max. I'm checking, are you equal? It will say I'm not equal. If you're not equal, I check the count greater than max. No need to update anything. Then I go one more. Are you equal? No. After that, I go there and I check, are you equal? It says yes, I'm equal. I make sure to make a count plus plus. Count plus plus, count is 1, then again here becomes 0, 1, not equal. My end becomes this. End come toward the right position. End comes at right position. That is I. Max become count and count becomes 0. Here I am correct. And also my start becomes now I plus 1. My start goes here. But I should point the previous start. If I am getting a not equal, that means my start will always move. Not equal, move start. Not equal, move start here. When 2 is not equal, I make my start here, then equal, then no problem. And at the end becomes this. And again not equal, this will move, start will move. So for each continuous element I am making a start variable. Okay, so let me have one again, a previous start, something like a previous start, that is 0. What about previous start? When you are not equal, I am making you I plus 1, and my previous start will become start now. Not equal, previous start would be the actual. There is something start point where count greater than max. Then only I should update the start and end. Okay, wait. Let me think. There is a temporary variable that will make sure every start. So whenever I get a not equal, I start from the next index. Okay. And whenever I get not equal but my count, suppose in this case I am getting equal, then I will mark you. Value not equal, then I will go there. So before going there, if my count is greater than max, then first let me update my start to the temp. Now I think everything should be fine. What happened? So what happened now? I get my start at 7, and at 7 I need that 8 this time. 7 and 8. Why I am going to the last? When this happens, when this happens, okay, I make the end this max to the count, that is now 1, max become 1, and the count becomes 0 again, and start becomes temp, that is this, and temp become I plus 1, that is here. Let's start, and then again these two are not equal, and count is not greater than max, then temp becomes I plus 1, temp is here. Again these two are equal, count becomes 1, then these two are not equal, is count greater than max, that is no, then temp becomes I plus 1, temp reaches here, Okay, I got that. If you are not equal, then also you have to make count your every time. Not working. 2 3 2. 2 3 2. Okay, 0 1 2 and 3 2 3 2. I have reverse from here. So what about my string after reversing? Can you print that also? Make sure to make end of time. Compilation error will come. No. I have this. I have to break from here, but didn't break that. Are you sure I don't have broken it? 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1. This is 1 0. How? I reverse this. This become 1 0. Zero, one, something like 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. If I have to make it 2 safe, it should become 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, then 0, then 1. 1, 0, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 0, then again 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. The same thing I'm getting. How there is 1 0, just let me understand that. If my start is 2, if my ID is 2, I started from 3 till 2, 0, 1, 2. I am making reversing this. This is the input string. Nothing happens here. Because this will reverse and come to the exact position. Okay. Okay, I have to start with 1. Hmm. 0 1 0. You are already in the correct form. You have become 1 0 0. To 0 everything you are 0, I makes the reverse. Okay, now do all these steps if my dx is not equal to 0. Then do these things. Okay. Okay. All passes. This time one more error. I think I'm the same test case. Start is at 1. Hmm. Again start error. Not updating start in a good way. You are not equal. That means my temp is at now here. This time you both are equal. Count plus plus equal. Count plus plus not equal. S count greater than max. Yes sir. End will point out here. Start will point out 1. Count 0. Temp becomes here. And again I go to equal. Count plus plus. Count no, here not equal but count not greater than max. Then again I start will there, end will there. Again count becomes 0. You are equal, count plus plus but not at much greater, not equal, count over not equal, count updated. Here not equal, count updated. I'm not making the start here as a temp. Use this test case. Again, wait some time, now run. Finally, we got error again. So I'm not going to solve it more. So I've tried very much but not able to solve it. No problem. No worries. Next time. Thank you.